So you might be wondering why I'm seated on the floor, but it's just because of this video. If you are new here, I'm Zenon and I do crazy things just so you don't have to do them. So basically, I've had this LED light for almost a year and I had to change it for these three main reasons. This thing is too short, it is too bulky, and I could only control it via this button over here. Now, whilst those are the main reason I wanted to change it, this actually has good color combination, which actually gives me the best colors I want at the back of my video. But this thing actually also got bent three different cases. The first time being me not knowing how to use it, so I actually placed it in the wrong direction instead of the other direction. So got bent, understood that. And the second one being me trying to plug this back in whilst this was connected to the main socket. And for the third one, I didn't know what I did, but for some reason it went off. So since then, it has been going on and off. And so I removed it from the plug and I want to try it right in front of you. If it can, fine. If it doesn't, also fine. And now the moment of truth. I don't know if you guys could see this, but it is lighting up a bit, but I think it is too spot to actually light up. But anyways, this is not why we are here. The reason why we are here is right over there. This. So I would have loved to do a very fancy unboxing, but this is all it came in. So you just have to stick to my old boring unbox. So this basically came in this USB-A. The lightning LED. So this is about 10 meters and one more thing. Remote. So seeing as this LED light solved all the problems I had with my old LED light by being miniature, having more controls and being longer. This is about 10 meters long. Let's give this a proper try. Okay, so basically this is the app and we could basically change the lights from here. If I want red, something like this, I think that's close enough. Okay. So basically you could change the lights from here, and these down here are your presets. So when I click on this, you could set a lot of presets. When I click on this and I look for some type of light, that will basically be my preset, and whenever I just open the app, I can just pick that color straight away. The second page has the style, so we can pick purple strobe flash, yellow strobe flash. There are a lot of styles that you could go for over here. The third web page is something I really like, and this is a feature that displays the light according to the rhythm of your music. So basically an island Christmas, so the light is being displayed according to the rhythm of the music. And one thing I like about this is the fact that it syncs with my French music and bring all my music from my playlist or my gallery into this app and allows me to stream my music and display according to the rhythm from this place. So on an iPhone, it wouldn't probably work. It will also sync the music from your playlist to this app. But the problem I had on my iPhone was the fact that I was using an Apple Music, so it couldn't play my music from my Apple Music on this place. That is somehow working on this Android, so you should enjoy that. If you're using an iPhone, you can probably try a third-party app. So now let's go to the schedule page first before we move to my favorite feature of this app. So if you like that guy that'll be stupid enough to buy tech that people will be skeptical about, you should probably consider subscribing to my channel and turning on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I buy those skeptical tech gadgets again. So what you can do here, you have the schedule on and the schedule off. So when you pick a specific time for you to start, so probably you want it to start 5 a.m. in the morning, you go to this place, set your time, and turn the schedule on, and turn the schedule off on also. Maybe you probably want it to like turn off at 6 p.m. in the evening. You set your time and click on OK. You are good to go. If you want this to repeat some certain days, you choose this. But if you don't want it to repeat any days, leave it like that. Now, if you have problem understanding this app in the first place, all you need to do is to click on these settings at the top right, click on guide, and this will show you everything you need to know about this app. So you can see at the top left, we have this, and this is connected to the LED lights via Bluetooth. The good part about this is you could connect a lot of LED lights to this one app and control all of them via one app. Isn't that cool? Now moving on to my favorite part of this app, the mic page. So the mic page has two main sections, which is the phone mic controls and the external mic controls. The external mic control has some more functionalities like the sensitivity, classic, and etc. But for the purpose of this video, let's use the phone mic. So now what this does is it senses the noise in the room and changes the display of the LED lights according to the rhythm of that sound. So when I keep quiet, you see that this should go off. Remember I mentioned this music section wasn't working on my playlist music on iPhone. The fix I got around that was basically coming to this section and then going to my Apple Music and playing the music in the background for it to detect the sounds of that music. And yes, sounds from outside will also interfere in my music readings, but at least it's a 50% fix, right? Oh, there's something I forgot to mention. I forgot to mention that at the back, there's this kind of blue strip I can just remove, and there's a sticky thing at the back I can stick to the wall. My old one didn't have it. I had to like nail it to the wall and it destroyed the wall, as you can see. You could see that something worth less than 100 CDs could give me this much of experience, and I enjoy everything about the app except for the UI. The UI is not so cool, but it's did more than I paid for. Exactly, for 100 CDs, it's very good. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.